Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Town and Country minivan, and I will show you which fuse to check in case your fog lights are not working. This video will apply to Town and Country minivans made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. Okay, so first I will show you how to turn on the fog lights. So once you have your lights on, you just want to press this switch inside and your fog light icon will appear right here, and that means your fog lights should be illuminated. So I'll show you once again. You turn on the lights, push that switch, and that's it. Fog light fuse is located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is right here next to the battery. Now to leave this cover you'll have two clips, one here and one here. So you want to press onto this to unlock it and then leave the cover up. And on the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. And your front fog lamps fuse is fuse number M2, which is 20 amp yellow fuse located here. So this is your fog lights fuse. If this fuse is burnt out, just replace it and that should fix your fog lights. If not, first make sure that the fog light bulbs are good, and then the next thing to check would be the switch itself inside the cabin or the wiring towards the fog lights. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.